time to go and take the oath. I'm really feeling in a good mood that after 20 years away from Parliament, I'm going back. Those who know me know that when I first came to Parliament, I only served for 2 terms, then I retired. Most people were wondering, what sort of person is this? I was not yet even 40 years old when I retired from Parliament. So I then decided to go and be the chairman of the Gulu district local government. Many people thought it was a kind of demotion, but it wasn't a demotion. I think anybody who can serve is important. We should not judge the importance of our work by the titles. Yes, I'd left Parliament, which is a national office, and I'd gone to the local government. But we made a lot of differences. We were able to risk our lives, go to the bushes of Garamba, talk to the LRA. That's how we silenced the guns. We were able to replan Gulu City. That's why Gulu has 0 ghetto. There's no ghetto in Gulu. We were able to protect the people's land. We were able to complete the district headquarters. But more importantly, we were able to take our people back home from the IDP camps. Anybody who can serve is a leader. You don't need an office to be a leader. As long as you're serving people, you're a leader. So there's a feeling of deja vu as I go to take the oath as Member of Parliament for Laro Peche, 20 years after I left Parliament.